I'm Justin.
I'm Mike.
This is Johnson Vlogs, and we're getting into something new, getting into computer gaming. So we built this desk. There'll be a video of this up on the YouTube channel, so you can check that out. And we'll eventually have the videos of us both building two different setups. So one around $2,000 and another one around like $1,000. Show you how good one is compared to the other, see if it's really worth even spending the extra $1,000 or whatnot. So this is what I got so far. Blake's parts are in another room right at the moment. But yeah, so let's get into it. So today we're going to be talking about this Govee Lightbulb. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's a color changing light bulb. It seems pretty cool. It was $15 on Amazon. I went to Lowe's and bought one from there, and it was $20, and it was Wi-Fi. This one's Bluetooth. That one was Wi-Fi from Lowe's, and we're a good little ways from the router, and it did not work like at all. Like I didn't like how the color looked or anything, and I actually have interior lights on my truck that are this brand, and they're amazing. So I figured this would be just as good.
You can control the lights on your phone, and it's also it can sync to your music as well. So as the beat of the music goes, obviously it'll flash different colors and whatnot. It seems like a pretty cool buy to me. Something you would definitely want to use as a cheap upgrade to your computer setup or your Twitch or your streaming or whatever you got.
Yeah, I mean, it seems really awesome. I mean, for $15, like this is probably like, I mean, one of the first upgrades you should probably even do to your room. Because I mean, even if you got lamps on your desk or whatnot, you can put these in there. And it has a grouping option on there, like where you can go on the app and put them all together, and then you can control each individual one, or you can control them all together. So that's super cool. So I guess let's go ahead and open this thing up and see what it looks like. So you got a user manual, and then whatever else is in there. Some little card. Check them out. They're really awesome. I mean, I love their lights. This is what I'm gonna try to do, like my whole setup with all my RGB stuff. I'm gonna do lights on the desk and stuff like that. I'm gonna try to do it all through this one company because you can have one app to control it all. You know what I mean? Instead of, well, I have Underglow on my truck too. I didn't really notice at the time it's a different company, so it's a whole different app. That's kind of a pain in the tail. So it's nice to have everything right there where you know, just click a button without swapping between app to app. So let's go ahead and get this thing hooked up and see what it looks like. I got this, lights brand on my truck. I already have the app. It's called Govee Home. So just load it up, and we're gonna search for a new device. It is indoor lighting, Bluetooth multicolor bulb, and I already picked it up. It's connecting right now. I'm gonna change the name of it to Gamer. So there it is. So this is 100% brightness, and this is only 650 watt, but right now it's on warm. You can see I just changed it a little bit right there. Let's go to the,
oh wow.
That's nice. So I mean, that was basically just as bright as this one. And this is a 760.
Man, that was a change my eyes there.
Yeah. So like, that's pretty cool right there. I can put it on, go back and forth between them. That's pretty cool. All right, let's check out a color. So let's go with green. So that's sick. I mean, that's super awesome. Yellow, orange, red.
Can you make the red blue?
I think so. That purple's awesome.
Oh, I like that.
Damn, that's bright.
Yeah, it is.
That blue's super awesome. All right, let's check out what else we can do. So there's different modes and everything. Microphone, okay, yeah. So it's going off to my voice right now. It's changing colors. That's pretty cool. I guess that would be for like music and stuff like that. So obviously we can't play a song because of copyright stuff.
Yeah.
But y'all get the point, I think that's pretty cool. I'll have to check out a song after this video. So there's also scenes, and this is pretty cool. I have this on my truck too. You have like a reading scene where it'll give you like good light for reading or whatever, and then relaxing. And it's actually got like a romantic one on here.
Oh, let's turn that off.
Yeah, we gotta turn that on and off. There's one called Sunrise. The light will mimic the sunrise color. The brightness will increase continuously, reaching its brightest level after 15 minutes. That's kind of cool. It gives you like a real sunrise effect. Right now it's kind of like a blood orange, so that's pretty cool. And you got the sunset, and it'll go completely black in 10 minutes, it says. And then you got a colorful option where it'll just go ahead and flick in and out of every color it's got.
That's rough.
Yeah, it's pretty rough. But yeah, it's got a auto off section, so that's really cool. You can go up to 4 hours, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's super cool. Yeah, I mean, this is like an awesome purchase. I'm really impressed with it. I mean, we're gonna be replacing the light fixture soon. I'm about to try to find like a pretty cool one, you know, but camera color recognition, what is that? Dude, a different color? Oh, that's crazy. So like this box is like a bluish. I just click apply and it puts the room to that color. It like creates a new color kind of thing. That's super cool.
Try the green on that. Yeah, that's not it.
Wow, that's super
spot
cool.
on.
That's super cool. Now I went to the pink on the G-Skill RAM. I got it upside down. Wow, that's crazy. That is super awesome. That's so cool. This is a definite buy. Go ahead and go get it. Order you some right now. But even if you have kids or something, like the timer, that's awesome. You know, like if you want to, hey, their bedtime's 8 o'clock, set that thing for a couple of hours. That way they're, you know, it's automatic. You ain't got to worry about it. So, I mean, that's awesome.
The thought of a true father.
Yeah, I mean, I'm a dad, so I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking about getting one, you know. My daughter likes to leave her lamp on to go to sleep, so I like to have that thing cut off without me having to get up or something, you know. So that's awesome.
Well, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button. Also like the video. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the notification bell. Like we said, we're going to be doing reviews on all this stuff here. We're going to be getting into gaming. We'll post that on this channel. There will not be a separate channel for this.
Yeah.
And if you got any questions, leave a comment down below, and we'll catch you in the next one.